Hello everyone, my name is Kym Fulmer.
My name's Ian Martinez.
And we live in Springs, East Hampton. And we would like to welcome you to our trailer in the woods that we're using as an art studio. We are going to show you how to make potato prints. And it's a fun project because you get cool results. You don't need a lot of materials. You probably already have them at home. And the process is just fun. It's fun to do. So we carved our potatoes in our kitchen using a variety of tools. Our paring knives. So here you have a leaf, a series of lines for stripes, scraping. If you have a vegetable peeler like this gouging tool on top is helpful. And you don't even really need to carve out a design. Just chopping the potato into various shapes works well too. If you don't have potatoes, you could try apples, carrots. So these are some of the things we're going to print. And you can print on any smooth surface. We have paper. We could do a roll of wrapping paper. We have blank t-shirts. And we have some dish towels. You could also do pillowcases, anything that doesn't have a rough, bumpy texture. And to print, we have some linoleum block printing ink, which works really nicely because it's smooth, it stays tacky for a long time. You can also use acrylic paint. And I recommend brushing it onto the potato instead of dipping the potato into a pool of paint because it's going to be too wet, it's going to squish out, and you're not going to see clear edges. You could use tempera paint, but that's going to wash out of any fabric. These are our block printing inks made by Speedball. You can get these at the Golden Eagle, which is open for curbside pickup. Oh, this is white. So it's nice and thick. I'm going to mix two colors.
Ooh, yeah, get a light blue.
My palette is a piece of plexiglass, but you can use anything that's smooth and flat. A tray, a cookie sheet. Maybe you have glass from an old picture frame.
Yay.
So, if you don't have a brayer, you can just smooth it with, I don't know, a fork, something that'll make it nice and smooth and flat. But I recommend these tools. If you get into printmaking, and they last forever. You take care of them, you can use this your whole life. Now, Ian's going to work with a couple of potatoes here. Grab one, Ian. Can you dip it into the ink? Check it out, look at it, make sure you got ink all over it. Ah, now print it onto the paper, see what happens. There you go.
It's like so sweet. Yeah, it's probably going to be better. Yeah, it's better.
Voila. You can create a pattern. Let's say you print, rotate, or you can just put down a variety of shapes and see how the shapes relate to one another and what happens in the background space. And I'm going to do a pattern. We found that that if you put some fabric or a towel underneath your surface, your potato print, your potato stamp comes into better contact with your printing surface and you get cleaner print. We're going to show an example of printing with ink, sticky block printing ink. Stays tacky for a long time. You're looking for that static sound. That's how you know you've got enough ink but not too much. So we touch the potato to the ink surface and then stamp the dishcloth. And you can get several before you have to go back to your ink. You take over this one. If you're not using ink, maybe you're using acrylic paint, then you're going to put a small amount in a dish. You can use a brush with bristles. You can use a foam brush, and you're going to paint it onto the potato. You want to dip in a pool of paint. And then we're going to stamp with that. We like putting a towel underneath our printing surface so we know that the potato and the printing surface will make good contact. Doggy.
I'm gonna use yours.
I'll give it to you when I'm done with it.
Oops.
Oh, nice. Do another row.
I like it. I want to do yours. Yours.
Okay, do you want the red for the triangle, or are you going to put it on a different shape?
Triangle. Red for triangle and black for triangle.
Okay, you see what I was doing? You have to paint it on each time.
Because I want to do like the overlapping thing that we saw in that picture.
Yeah. So you don't want it to be too drippy. Smooth it over.
I'm gonna put my name in these triangles. My name and these triangles around my name.
And I'm going to be your
And then
assistant.
put triangles on the bottom like this.
Alright. So I'm going to put a nice thin layer of acrylic paint on here for you. So I like it right on the chest, not on the belly. Put
Wait,
it up
is this
the
on the
chest.
front?
That's the front, yeah.
Okay.
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 Okay. Yeah, press. Beautiful.
So good.
It does look good. Now,
So
are your
good.
triangles going to be orange?
Yeah.
Reddish orange?
So good. Yes. Yes. So good.
Okay, give me a triangle. Got it?
Oh. First, I add my name, and then I put triangles around it, and at the end, I wanted to do some blue.
Can you hold it up to the camera so they can see? So awesome. These are our favorite prints. We got so many, right? Leaves. Do you recommend this project? So many. Yes.
That one looks nice.
Thanks, Ian. So does that. So you should let your prints air dry and then use your household iron to heat set them, and that way the paint won't wash out in the washing machine. Thank you all for joining us. I hope you have fun making potato prints, and if you post them to social media, we'll take a look. Ready?
Yep.
Thank you.
Bye, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for being part of our Art Break project. Please consider supporting Guildhall through subscribing to our YouTube page, following us on social media, or donating on our website. Your support would help us bring more creativity your way and ensure our success when we reopen our doors to you.